Hello and welcome to OptinMonster. In this video, we're bringing you 10 simple ways to boost your email subscribers fast. The first way is to add an Exit-Intent Popup to your website. 70% of your website visitors will never return, but with an Exit-Intent Popup, you can improve conversions 2 to 4% and add them to your email list before they're gone forever. Number 2 is to add an opt-in at the end of your blog articles. Readers who reach the end of your blog articles are primed. They were drawn in by the headline, they read the entire article, which is why adding an opt-in to the end of an article is a great place to capture more email subscribers. Number 3 is to turn popular posts into lead magnets. If you're pressed for time to create a lead magnet, you can use Print-Friendly to create a downloadable PDF with your top blog post articles. No matter what the source, offering a lead magnet is a great way to boost your email subscribers. Number 4 is to try using a different button color. Did you know the color blue creates a sensation of trust, red a sense of urgency, and green a sense of relaxation? By knowing how people perceive different colors and using this knowledge to your advantage, you can increase the likelihood someone will want to join your email list. Number 5 is to prominently display testimonials. Testimonials help build trust, and when your website visitors see that you're trustworthy, they'll be more willing to sign up for your email list. Number 6 is to remove distractions. Go for a design and pop-ups that make your call to action to sign up for your email list enticing, clear, and distraction-free. Cutting out clutter can help improve conversion rates. Number 7 is to not ask too much information. Asking all of this on a subscribe form, such as your address, city, state, country, zip code, etc., is way too much. Asking for a name and email, or even just email address, will make them much more willing to sign up and hit subscribe. Number 8 is to share your campaign everywhere. With OptinMonster, your campaigns are not just limited to your website. With something called shareable monster links, you can share a link to your email opt-in form anywhere on the web, such as on your Instagram account, YouTube video descriptions, Facebook page, and more. Number 9 is to add an opt-in link to your email signature. Take advantage of the emails you're already sending by including a link to your email list sign-up form. And number 10 is to be more social. Online marketing guru Amy Porterfield uses her Instagram account to share marketing tips, tricks, and her resources, ultimately growing her email list through her social accounts. With these 10 ways in play, you'll be sure to boost your email list fast. Before you go, don't forget to sign up for our free gift to you, 12 proven ways to convert abandoning visitors into subscribers. Learn how to unlock the highest revenues from each of your website visitors.